All right, what's going on, Tycoon? Super excited for today's video. We're going to be looking at Xela, okay? And Xela is a viewer request from the comment section. So please, if you guys have a ticker symbol you want me to look at, a stock, a crypto, please feel free to let me know in the comments below, and I'll be happy to make a video on it whenever I can, okay? So the first thing I want to do is just show you guys kind of the weekly demand zone, okay? So we're looking at the weekly chart for Xela right now. Okay. And I've got demand showed up here in this green box. Okay. I have a whole tutorial on supply and demand and how to trade supply and demand in the top right hand corner. If you guys want to learn about that, but for now, I'll basically just kind of show it to you. So basically in this range right here, whenever we hit this range, okay, this demand zone, Xela goes up. Okay. So if you can catch it at the bottom or anywhere in this demand zone, like how we are right now, and it's currently dropping, which it could drop more, but I expect it to have a nice 2021. Small caps to me are going to be due for a sector rotation. They've been getting beat up a lot, and Xela could be a part of that movement. Okay. So I do think that, you should monitor it. Maybe getting some positions right now for a swing trade isn't too bad. Of course, I mean, this isn't financial advice. Definitely use stop losses, learn how to take profit. Okay, I have tutorials on stop losses as well. But yeah, so this looks good to me. Okay, we're in a weekly demand zone, and eventually we're gonna come out of this demand zone, right? Is what I predict. Okay, eventually we'll come out of this demand zone, and we may see a buck 50, a buck 40, all the way up to $2, $3, or $4 in case there's possibly a short squeeze or something, because this one has been short squeezed a few times. um Now, one thing real quick that you guys can do, I want to show you, is you can go on the Options Trading Tycoons Discord, okay? And if you go, we have a stock bot, okay? So if we go to the stock bot, and I'll let me go ahead and show you that real quick, okay? So we're gonna look at the stock bot real quick, and what we can do is we can go and hit exclamation part SI, right? And then type in the name of the ticker symbol, so XELA, right, for Xela, and that will give you the short interest. Okay, so it still has a relatively high short interest. The ratio is 42%. Okay, and it will give you a 10-day breakdown for Xela. All right, so that's just a neat little feature that you guys get included in the Options Trading Tycoons Discord. So I just wanted to show that to you guys real quick. The link to join that is in the description below. So we're gonna head to the daily chart now, and I'm gonna show you guys if you want to look for a daily breakout. Okay, this is what you want to look at. All right, so let's start off with this red line right here. So here we can see that we're up around $1.26, $1.30, and we just dropped to 85 cents. Okay, so that's a pretty big drop. Now if you look on the RSI, right, and we're gonna pull up the RSI a little bit so you guys can see that clearer. Okay, from that moment to this moment, from $1.30 to 85, right? The RSI is basically flat. Okay, it has gone down just a little bit, but this would be what's kind of known as like some slight bullish divergence. Okay, because the price went from $1.30 to 80. That's a pretty big drop, right? And then the RSI basically stayed pretty flat. It went from 28 to 27. So it's in oversold territory. Every time it's been in oversold territory, it's recovered extremely well. Okay, so look at it right here. I'll just highlight them for you guys. Okay, so right here, boom, we're in oversold territory. Okay, and then it rallies and eventually goes up to $2, right? Okay, and then we come back down into oversold territory here, right? And then we have a day, the very next day, where we go from $1.45 all the way up to 222, right? And then these days we bounced. We went from $1.04 up to $1.30. Okay, so you could see a small pop in Xela coming soon, but I would look. I think the more important thing is going to be to look for a sector rotation into small caps and to find out which small caps are going to see that sector rotation. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you found any of this helpful. Okay, go ahead and screenshot this right here. Okay, this is going to be your breakout levels: $1.33, $1.74, 215, 257, and then 2.9862. Okay, those are going to be all the major resistance levels. Feel free to take profit at any one of those. You're never wrong or mistaken if you're taking profit on a trade. And if you're in profit and you want to maybe let it ride a little bit more, and see, if it has more momentum, right? Then what you can do is use a trailing stop loss. All right. So yeah, I'm out. Let me know if you guys have another ticker you want me to look at.